Word for the day is spontaneous. No plan, no idea what I'm doing. I'm just out here enjoying it. So come along, we'll see what we find along the way. See you.
So at the moment we're just heading north. Over this side we've got all the oyster banks for the oyster farmers. I just come along this little sandbar here. There was probably about 10 stingrays, but obviously when they hear a jet ski they don't hang around too long and they glide off. Magic how they just float through the water. Over this side we've got Stratty, that's North Stradbroke, and we're just coming up the Rainbow Channel. And up the end here we've got a pretty nice sandbar, so we'll go and have a look. Got my own deserted island. Wonder what I should call it. Pretty cool, but just a sandbar popped out of nowhere. Got another soul on it today. On a good day you can get a few people come along here. Not today, but Amity is over there. South Passage Bar, Moreton Island, and then this, I've heard different names for this place. I've been told it's Fox Island, don't know how that works. Toad Island, haven't seen any. If you know the name of it, comment below what the name of it is, because I'm intrigued. I'm sure on Google Maps it says something about Fox Sandbar or something, but you tell me. Finished at the sand island. Now I'm just floating out here along the sandbanks. This is the chain banks along here. Got the Rouse Channel and then all the chain banks. So along here you can always find something cool to look at. Now that I've said it, probably jinxed myself. So being that we're not going with much of a plan at the moment, we're going to have a bit of a look around over here. The only part of my plan is might end up going and getting myself some hot chips. Best hot chips around are actually on Moreton Island at the Gutter Bar. So might go and get some hot chippies. And if you want to know more about the Gutter Bar, there's a card probably popping up around here, maybe sometime now. And watch that video, you'll see a little bit about the Gutter Bar on there. So let's go, let's see what we find. Just making my way over the chain banks. I wonder if the camera picks up the swell that rolls through here. Beautiful crystal clear water, but you do have to watch yourself around here. They're just breaking just about 50 metres over there. They start breaking against the sandbank. Comes one now. The bar's actually out there. This is just leftover swell.
So we'll keep heading this way, north. There we go. You always see something. Look at him. Beautiful. See ya, mate. So here we are at the gutter bar, anchored up. It's just behind the trees back there. So we'll go and have a bit of a feed, have a drink, come back out and see what else we can explore around this area. This is the southern part of Moreton Island. One thing you do have to be careful of if you do come here is watch the tide. If it goes out, there was a couple on Facebook not too long ago that had to stay at a B&B because tide went out and their ski was left high and dry. So yeah, just watch the tide when you get here. Shovel nose ray. Got a big tail on him, so you got to watch he doesn't whip you. If I go putting my hand in the water, the little baby ray just went back past him. Full of stingrays all around here on these flats. Little fish just there. Well, we had our lunch. Been out on the flats having a look at wildlife. Now it's time to head back south. See what we find on the way home. Got a plan, still haven't really put any idea to it. I'm just floating around out here, seeing what comes my way. Sort of just heading south now because I know it's sort of getting to that point where we have to go home at one stage, I guess. As you can see, it is why it'd be hard to resist going home, wouldn't you? We'll head back down this way and we'll see what we find. Let me introduce you to a little patch of paradise called Horseshoe Bay, Peel Island.
that's going to end today's little adventure, a little ride. Thanks for coming along with me. If you've watched it this far, then I hope you got some enjoyment out of it. Everyone, chase your dreams and have fun. Thanks for watching Sunburnt and Salty.